Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. In this today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how I can reply to a comment with a video on TikTok. Okay, let's get into it guys. First of all, I'm going to open up my TikTok application on my mobile phone, and then I'm going to try to leave a comment on my second account's post. So here I'm just going to go to the search menu and I'm going to search for my second account on TikTok. This one, I'm going to leave a comment on one of the posts here. I'm going to leave a comment here. I'm going to go to the comment section and then I'm going to add hello like this. And then I'm going to reply this comment with a video. So I'm going to switch to my second account. Wait, I'm gonna go to my profile and then we can click on the account name and I'm going to switch to my second account. All right, wait. Okay, now I'm going to go to my profile and then I'm going to reply to the comment with a video. Okay, this is the comment I have just added. And then I'm going to click on reply, and to reply the comment with a video we can click on the video icon here. Okay, and then you will be able to reply it with a video. You can take new video here, or you can upload a video from your gallery, or you can reply it with photo. And for me guys, I'm just going to upload a video from my gallery. For example, I'm going to reply it with this video. I'm gonna click on next. Okay, and as you can see guys, that the comment has been added to the video. And then before you upload this video to your TikTok, you can edit the video. You can add tag, sticker, or maybe filter, or it's up to you. You will be able to add sound as well, but I'm just going to leave it like that, and then we can click on next. Okay, and then the reply video will be posted to our TikTok. We just need to click on post. Okay guys, and that's all the way to reply to a comment with a video on TikTok. I hope this tutorial will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching, and if you found this tutorial useful, don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel. Bye!